Nancy with Fix This House, and this is my Bosch Super Silence Plus 39 dBA dishwasher that has a little problem when I try to pull out the bottom rack. It often falls over. Look, you hear that? I try to pull it out and it clangs. And it's missing some of these little wheels that go on the sides. And so when you try to push it in, it makes all kinds of noise. It's horrible. And so I finally got so tired of it the other day. These are the wheels that come off. And you can see them. They go, sorry, there's 4 on each side. They go 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you find these around, I don't know what happened to all ours, but they really go, they have a little spinny part here. This part here hooks onto this bar right about here. So it goes like this. Put the spinny part up at the top, face it like this. Put the pole that sticks out through the hole and then snap it on like that. Now that's an old one. Sorry. And I'm replacing it. So this is the bag that I got of replacement parts. I got them on Amazon. They're about 8 wheels, replacement wheels for about $9 or $10 delivered with Amazon Prime. This is the part. These are the parts that come. It's a wheel and an inside portion. So you want to take this round part here and stick it into the hole there. Snap them together. And then, let's see if this fits. Put it on the hole right here, like this, and snap it onto the bar. Can you see it all right? Like that. Let me grab another one and do it. I'm hoping this fixes the problem because I really can't stand it when I have it all loaded up with dishes. It's clanging all over the place. A wheel and an inside connector. This part here is caved in or convex, whatever. It has a thing there. You want the flat side. Push this in here. Try to get that part into the middle with your arthritic fingers and right there, like that. Lift it up. Orient it so that the little clip is at the top. Put it through the hole. Line up the clip. Snap it in. And then line it up on your dishwasher so that it slides in. I might need, look, I got one that fell off over here. What do you know? So I'm going to keep replacing all these until I have 8 new ones on. But that makes such a big difference. I still think I need one more on the other side. I'll do that off camera. But you can see, if you're having problems with your tray, you don't need a new dishwasher. You just need to buy some replacement wheels. And you'll be all set to go. $10 fix. Thanks for watching, and have fun washing your dishes. Bye. Fix. This is Nancy with Fix This House, and this is my Bosch Super Silence Plus dishwasher, and it has a little problem here. Oh my goodness. I can't turn it off.